Hello students, the question is from DMGT. Okay, so the question is given as consider a set Q of irrational numbers and let star be the operation on Q defined by A star B equals to A plus B, A minus B. So whenever I say A star B equals to A plus B minus AB, so it means the star can be multiplication, addition, subtraction, or anything. Okay, so this is not an operation out here. This is just a binary operation between two operands. Okay, it is called binary operation because it is between two operands, but it will be defined by multiplication, addition, minus, anything. So this star can be anything. So usually we do multiplication. Instead of multiplication we write star. Okay, asterisk, what we call asterisk. So it is not like this is a multiplication sign. This is just a star sign which represent the binary operation. So the binary operation can be multiplication, addition, or subtraction. So we have to choose the best option out here, and it is given that the set is semi group or a group. It is not a semi group, it is a semi group, it is an abelian semi group, or it is an abelian semi group with identity value 1. Okay, so whenever this set algebraic structure this is considered, it is called a group, it is called a semi group. It is called a semi group when it satisfies two condition. Okay, so first condition, this is should be, it is a closed operation. Okay, a closed operation. So by the closed operation, what I mean to say is whatever the operation we are using, binary operation we are using, that should be independent of the set. Okay, now the second one is this is an associative operation. Associative operation. Okay, so let's check for the associativity first, so that we can prove that this is a semi group. It is already a closed operation because it is not dependent on the set. Okay, so let's say, okay, so what it will be then, A plus B minus AB, because it is given like this, into C, right? So now here instead of star you can take these two as together, right? So instead of star there is a plus. So what will be the operation then? It is between two operands, right? So again it will be divided. So it will be A plus B minus AB plus C, right? And then this minus AB is considered. So minus, again between A and B multiplication is the operand, right? So it will be A plus B minus AB into C. So now you just if you simplify you will get A plus B plus C, AB minus BC minus CA plus ABC if you simplify this. Similarly, now you take these two together, so it will be A star B star C. So instead of A and B now we have B and C. So what it will become, this A will become B and this C will become B will become C, it will be BC. Okay, so again there is a operation between B and C. So again this will be further divided. So it will be divided as A plus B plus C minus BC minus A B plus C, because again multiplication is there in between, B plus C minus BC. So again after simplification you will get the same value. Okay, so these two are true. Okay, so it is an associative, so therefore it is a semi group. Now check for abelian. Commutative, we say the group G comma star is a commutative abelian if it is a commutative operation, if it follows a commutative operation. For example, A star B is A plus B minus AB. If I interchange this value, it will be B minus A minus AB, so one on the same. So if you put 1 instead of B, it is not following an identity. Okay, but 0 is the identity. If you get the same value, then it is an identity, right? So you will get an identity. So here 0 is the identity value, not 1. So we got that it is a semi group and it is a abelian also, abelian semi group. Okay, but we don't have identity as a 1, we have identity as a 0. So the third option is matching, therefore answer is C. Thank you.